ni number 16.
Isip lang tan.
Pass ng number 12. 15 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds. Number 4, uy, gandang pasan doon. Nagupya lang. Nakuha naman ni number 17. Go for 2.
1 minute and 20.
Number 4 is through.
1 minute 10.
1 minute and 10 seconds remaining. Kaso mga traveling violation. Substitution.
Ang ano yan, pare, para sa NBA yung best player niya. 1 minute 3.
1 minute and 3 seconds remaining. Nagot.
Go, press, go.
Barangay Kalubay ba tayo?
Paano go?
Nakuha naman ni number 17. Pass number 7. Number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass number 2. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 11 for 2. Nagot. Nakuha naman ni number 15. Number 2. Pero hindi na nahuli na lang ni number 2. Iko. Number 2. Number 2 again. For 2. Kaso ka lang.
Basket!
Basket. Good just good.
29.9.
29.9 seconds remaining.
Go, Seth!